Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add a new contact on WhatsApp. Alright guys, first of all, open your WhatsApp application on your phone. Then you're going to tap on this button. And there will be several options for you. And since we want to add a new contact, we can click on new contact right here. Okay, and we can put the first name. So for example, I'm going to add this name, and for the last name as well. Okay, and you can put the phone number right here, but before it you can select the country code. You just need to tap on this option. Then you can select the country, and for example, I'm just going to select Indonesia. Okay, then let's start to add the phone number. I'm just going to add random phone number like this, and we can select the location where we want to save the contact to, and you can tap on this option, and I'm gonna go with phone because I want to save this contact to my phone. And after that, we can click on the save button and click on this save button right here. Okay, then you have to wait until the process has completed, and now as you can see that it's still loading. And alright guys, that's how we can add a new contact on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.